12:12. You will soon understand why your timing is perfect and why things had to happen the way they did to guide you to where you were meant to be. Type yes if you believe. A shift just happened. Old energies is clearing. Your prayers will be answered. Health will be restored. Secrets will be revealed. A new career path will open up. The money you spent will come back to you multiplied. Type yes if you needed this. If you feel your energy dipping, know the importance of taking some time out. Just stop, relax, and replenish. It's not selfish, but necessary. Your energy and time are very precious. Use them wisely. Type yes if you needed this, and also subscribe the channel God's Manifesto 1111. Thank you.